Welcome to this Cantonese confidence check for lesson 1 to 5. This is a supplementary listening practice for learners following the course. And if you are new here, that's okay too. Listen along and see if this level feels right for you. I will say something in Cantonese and you will choose the correct answer. If you are not comfortable reading the Chinese character yet, don't worry. Just focus on the sound, and you can even close your eyes and listen. Let's begin.
我想食點心。我想食點心。
What does she want to eat? Now, say it in Cantonese.
我想食點心。Next question. 我會食點心。我會食點心。
What does it mean?
Now say it in Cantonese. 我會食點心。Next question. 你可唔可以去香港？你可唔可以去香港？
What is being asked?
Now say it in Cantonese. 你可唔可以去香港？ Next question. 佢未去香港。佢未去香港。
What does this mean?
Now say it in Cantonese. 佢未去香港。Next question. 佢有冇食雲吞？佢有冇食雲吞？
What is being asked?
Now say it in Cantonese. 佢有冇食雲吞？ Next question. 你食咗未？
食咗。食咗。
Has he eaten?
Now say it in Cantonese. 食咗。Next question. 我食咗點心同飲咗茶。我食咗點心同飲咗茶。
What did I do?
Now say it in Cantonese. 我食咗點心同飲咗茶。
How did you do? If you understood most of that, you are doing very well. If some parts felt challenging, that's completely normal too. Listen again, let it settle, and most importantly, don't try to memorize it. See you in lesson 6.